Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we all doing today? I hope we all had a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holiday. Alright, today I wanted to show you something that my wife got me that actually I asked her for. We do like lists, and I get what she wants, she gets what I want. And getting older in this business, it pretty much a real pain in the butt. Bending over, walking out to the truck, even walking over for the toolbox. I got the bad knees, the shoulders are now bad. So what I did was, of course, we're all watching YouTube, and there's a lot of carpenters, they wear aprons, or they wear, especially if they're operating with the lathe, but you see a lot of carpenters now wearing actual vests, and they have vests that are just like plate carriers made out of denim or leather, and they look like military plate carriers. And that's where it derived from. I have them. When I go to the range, I wear a plate carrier with a drop harness for my pistol, and sling for my rifle. But they can weigh, and standing up all day and trying to work, carpenters just they came out with these things where they can have their rulers, their pencils, their squares, their hammers, their drills, their knives, their chisels, their punches, their nail sets. Everything could be on them, and then it's faster productivity. So I started doing some research to see what was out there, what had good reviews, and what I could get to wear. Like when I'm doing tankless heaters, we're standing up, the thing's on the wall. I need fittings. Like when I do the Upanor, you gotta have a ring, you gotta have a fitting. So, and then the machine you could put separate, but you gotta have your ruler, your marker, your pencils, your level, all that stuff. So I did a bunch of research. I looked up and I seen out what's out there and what other carpenters and other influencers are using or wearing. And I found a company, and here it is. And it's funny, it's called Snickers. Snickers. It's called workwear. And it's a light denim and open fabric, so it's breathable. And it's a vest with two pockets on the bottom, two like drop pockets. It's an extra large, but it does adjust. But out of the box, it fits me perfectly. The zipper is a very good. I buy a lot of 511 bags. My range bags, my first aid bags. A lot of my bags are 511, and they have very good zippers. This zipper is a very good. It's a Swedish company, but it's made in Vietnam. Then it's got a clip on the bottom, if I can find it, like a belt clip on the bottom. That I do have to adjust a little bit more. But I'm wearing a t-shirt, and I will be needing this for a sweatshirt. Now, here it is. Let me just grab my ruler. So right now, I have pretty much, besides my phone, which can go a phone pocket. My phone, now I don't know if the phone will, matter of fact, my phone's right here. Let's see. I don't think so, because I have the iPhone Pro in an outer box. So, no, it won't fit in there. It will not fit in there. So, it's going to have to go in there, which is not bad. So, I have my pencil and my marker, because that's pretty much all my marking implements. knife right now, a tester. So I do need my electrical tester a lot. And then in these pockets, I can have my ruler, but I gotta play with it. I gotta see where I can put everything. Matter of fact, that appears to have more. Let's see where all this can go. Oh, it'll clip right on there. Yeah, well, if I put fittings in here, it'll pop off. But I gotta see, maybe I can use one of those holsteries with a magnet. But right now I'll put it in here. But now I can carry everything, have it on me, put my level in here, and really I don't much. I mean, I probably could fit a drill in this pocket, but to have fittings in here and being able to work. Now, we do a lot of work in attics. There's machinery up there that I have to service, and there's piping that we run through attics. So this would work good, because normally we have to carry totes with us. But if I can put screws in here, because there's a whole bunch of different, you got this pocket right here, there's more, there's another magnet or clip here. I gotta really look into this more and see what all of this, you know, there's all kinds of webbing pieces. You know, you can definitely tell this is for your pen, so you can even put a third one in here if you wanted to. Yep, you can put you can carry like 3 different marking implements. This is definitely for a phone, but again, my iPhone will not fit in here. And then there's more for chisels. You can put your level in here. Matter of fact, I got a level right here. Well, I don't use this. I use the Milwaukee level, but this would be something. There we go. The Milwaukee level's smaller, but there's the level. Just in there nice. Let me grab my ruler. I'm gonna put my ruler right here. You just clip it right into here. It'll stay on. Now I got the pockets are open. I don't like the level there. Like I said, I gotta play around with it. And that's not the level I use. I use a now, I actually, as I did in the last video, I carry this holstery around and I clip it to my pant pocket. Now with this, I can now have my stuff right here on me. I have to be able to carry bits, but again, I have one of those carabiners with the little clips on it. Matter of fact, that's it right here. So if I use this with the bits that I normally would need, and maybe like on here, I just don't want to walk around with this thing jingling. See, that's not bad. And I can carry my bits right there. Ooh, losing my balance. There we go. And clip it right here. And have it right there on me. Got a ring right here, it'll go through. Gotta feed it in there. There we go. There we go. Now my bits. Now I have my bits that I would always need. And it comes off pretty easy. So, yes, very comfortable. Of course, I got to add more weight to it, but it's very comfortable. So I think it was like $179. I could find out, but it's Let's see, what they got a model number on here. U4250. I might as well take the tags off. All around work vest, tool vest. It's U4250 Snickers workwear. And reinforced pockets, mesh ventilation, inside expander, wide adjustable shoulder straps, and an integral belt. And then this says yep, made in Sweden. No, sorry, they're from Sweden, made in Vietnam. www.snickersworkwear.com. I forget how I found it, and then I sent my wife the link, and then she bought it. So it's very comfortable. But again, I got to add a little bit more weight to it, but I think it'll work fine. And again, I mean, it would be pretty cool in the shop here, you know, to work with this. I mean, you could definitely, I don't have a bigger square. So, yes. Alrighty, I'll leave a link below for this. But I'm looking forward. I got a big 3.5 bathrooms, a kitchen, a laundry room coming up. So I'm looking forward to wearing this. And I'm looking forward to just wearing it in general. Then it even has this hook on the back where you can hang it. So yeah, I got I'll do a review on this, but the Proxxon sander she got me, that's the only thing. I know I was going to use this one, but this is a lot nicer. And the reason these are on the table is I switched my one tote bag to this VetaPro, and this is where a bag I use when I go and work on tankless heaters. I bring it in, but a lot of my tanklesses are on a roof, so I have to climb a ladder. And this thing, when I was switching off my shoulder to place it onto the roof, I slipped. And thank God I was able to grab onto the top of the ladder and throw this up onto the roof, or I would have went back. It wasn't that far, so I'm like, no. So I'm switching to this backpack, where now I can literally put it on my back, but there's also built into this, there's a ladder hook that you can actually hook this as you go up. So I'm going to be switching this to this backpack. Alright, YouTube. Again, I'd like to thank all the subscribes, the comments, the likes, the questions. My email will be below if you have a question. And to all, I wish you all a very happy, healthy, and safe New Year. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.